thank you for coming back. This is part 2 of the personalized tables. This one I showed y'all yesterday, the navy blue one, but this is the black tape that I had showed you just a picture of it yesterday. So I painted this white with acrylic paint, and I did the paint splatters with the white and the green. These are 2 of the images we're going to lay down, and I'm going to lay down the eagle right there, and this Philadelphia eagles is going to go up here in the corner. So I'm just going to peel that off. This is printable vinyl, and I'm just going to lay it down like that. Do one side at a time so I can make sure there's no bubbles in there. So it's going to lay down like that. This eagle, we're going to do the same thing. This is a printable vinyl as well. And I cut these out on my Cameo machine. And I just lay down a little bit at a time, like that. Then I'm going to have regular 651 vinyl, and we're going to put this down. Like so. Like so, like that. Now, up here, I got another one that I'm gonna put on here. And it's gonna go above the eagle. And this one is going to go above the eagle, like that. You see, pull the paint up right there, but I'm gonna hit the paint again before I seal it. So that's what I was trying not to do. But you see right there, pull the paint up right there. So I'm just going to dab that with some paint, let it dry. Then I'm going to hit this with some epoxy. I use one part A, 1 part B, and then I'm going to seal everything on here after this dries. So I'm going to fix that right there. And this is how the table will look when it gets done.